morning, friends. We are in, I don't know where we are.
Port Macquarie.
No, we're not, are we?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're near the lighthouse. We're gonna do a lighthouse little walk, I guess. Under. Lexa's like, oh, that's what we're doing.
I didn't know we were back here. So we're in Port Macquarie
Just
right
can't get
now.
away from it.
Yeah, we're really loving it, loving the views, loving life. Jess had some possession last night during her sleeps as we camped in an area.
Just last night.
Yeah.
Still possessed now. It was a horrible dream. It was a guilt complex because we didn't pay for the caravan to park. But we got out of there at 6 a.m. so we didn't have to pay. But it's a nice payout because look at this view we have now. Hello, friends! We're in Dorrigo National Park. It's a rainforest.
Woo!
Stretching a 3-hour hike.
We got this.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
It's
we're ready
shaded. It's fine.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no red belly black snakes. So.
That will be freaky. So here's to our adventures. Let's go!
Woo!